Hi everyone, welcome to my cooking channel. This will be my first video. Today I'm going to talk about how to make Chinese noodles. For this dish, you will need shredded carrots, onions, green pepper, shredded cabbage, lo mein noodles. You will also need sauces, black and red pepper. The sauces are labeled here. Boil the noodles for 10 minutes. After that, stir it a little while, till it's cooked. You'll need to drain out all the water from the noodles. You need to dry the noodles and later cook them. First, heat the pan at 7. After that, pour 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil. Next, you put onions, green pepper, carrots, cabbage in the pan. After that, you need to stir it a while. You can add turmeric if you want for taste. If you add the turmeric, then stir it until the cabbage is yellow. Now you have to add soy sauce. Add 1 spoon of Sichuan sauce. Add 1 spoon of green chili sauce. Add 1 spoon of sriracha sauce. If you want to make it spicy, then you can add 2 or 3 more spoons of sriracha sauce. Sprinkle some green pepper now. Sprinkle some red pepper. Now you need to add noodles and you have to stir them. Stir the noodles until they are cooked. Yay! Here's the final product of the Chinese noodles. Thank you for watching.